Hello, and in this week, I'm actually really excited to talk about a new toy that I just found. And the reason why I'm very excited about it is because I am a Kali Linux user. While for the most part, I do use Windows 7 and I have not upgraded to Windows 10, and until I stop hearing about things breaking for developers, I probably won't install Windows 10. But I found out that you can get Windows version of Kali Linux, and that is to say, virtual machine of Kali Linux on a Windows machine. You can actually make it in the browser. And this is very beneficial to me because, for the most part, the reason why I don't primarily use Kali Linux is because I normally have my browsers open on both sides of my screen at nearly all times of the day. And they usually have 20 tabs open. And anyway, so let's go ahead and get into it. So in order to get it, all you have to do is go to the Docker toolbox. See right there, docker.com products Docker toolbox. And you will need to create an account because this comes in something called a container. And when you have something like a container, it needs to be registered so that when you go to a different machine and maybe download the same thing, you can actually open up the same exact thing from a different machine. So you download this either for Windows or for Mac, and then once you download it, you will have two things that it comes with. It comes with the Docker Quick Start Terminal, and then it comes with Kitematic. And Kitematic is the one you want to go after. Because there is a way to do this in the terminal, but the problem is that that doesn't always work, and it can get really confusing very quickly. Now, as you can see here, I'm getting an error. And my way of avoiding this error is just use VirtualBox. That's it. And as you can see, it popped up and done. Okay. So when this pops up, what'll happen, what you'll need to do is you'll need to, in this search bar, type in Kali browser. Right? And what this is it's the bare bones. Alright? It's the bare bones Kali browser. And that means none of the Metasploit tools are installed. And what this is it's the bare bones with the top 10 programs installed. And this one is just Kali Linux in the browser. And of course, as you can see, I have that one installed. Now, when you install one of these, you can't install the other. Because what will happen is it will target the same exact index.html. It'll be created in the same file location, and it will create the same exact one. So you go here, right? And if you install this one, you will have to manually set it up. Okay? And in order to manually set it up, and what I mean by this is you have to manually set up the address. In order to do that, you have to go over to settings, and then you go over to ports. And in this section, as you can see, I have this. You have to add your Docker port because it goes through the VirtualBox network ID, and then you have to set up the actual port. So I have it set for 680 and through a TCP connection. Now once that's up, I just click start. and you will see that it's running. It says user Ubuntu already exists. You can just highlight this and paste it in. And there we are. And you just go down here and there's your lovely programs. It's an awesome little tool that I found out, and I absolutely love it. And I just wanted to share that with you all for this week's developer talk. Until next time,